Hello friend, this is your Dr. Iqbal and you are watching YouTube channel Vela Baba. You know, good and bad variables goes side by side. You need to really work hard for the good, but the bad stuff is omnipresent. People who avoid hard work, they are looking for shortcuts to get through their targets, including getting Canadian immigration visa. Here comes scams and fraud for such people, and they offer shortcuts and lousy promises, and these people are exploited. I have already shared a video on immigration fraud focusing on 4 things. Number 1, document fraud. Number 2, marriage fraud. Number 3, email, internet and online fraud. And number 4, fake government officers. I'm giving the link of this video in description, so please check it out. Today I will be talking about this focal person because of which these fraudulent activities have been conducted. I'm an unauthorized immigration consultant and would try to give you answers, including who is an immigration consultant, what are the types of immigration consultant, what is the difference between hiring a lawyer and hiring a licensed consultant, how to choose consultant, how to identify unauthorized practitioner, how to protect fraud from unauthorized practitioner consultant. Friends, if you are new to my channel and have passion for Canadian immigration, please consider subscribing it so that you may get instant notification of my weekly uploads. Let's dive into our today's video. An immigration consultant is a person who helps people to immigrate from one country to another country through legal and documentation process. And this immigration includes work, study, travel, or business purposes. Services of such consultant includes explaining and giving advice on immigration options, help choose the best immigration program, filling out and submitting immigration application, communicating with government on client behalf, representing client in an immigration application, advertising that they can give immigration advice. Basically, there are 2 types of consultant. One is paid and the second is unpaid. Paid is the one who must be authorized and include a lawyer and a consultant. And unpaid could be a person who is not paid, and that may include your friend, family friend, and any third party providing such services. A consultant is a person who may give an advice on immigration, whereas a lawyer, attorney, barrister, or solicitor is any person who has a license to perform legal functions. The functions may include drafting documents, interpreting and applying laws, giving legal advice, representing clients in the court. Let me share an example of one of my followers who has been the victim of fraud by fake consultant. Name and some details are blurred for his privacy's sake. He sent me this document and requested to check whether it is a fake or genuine. This document is obviously fake. It did not contain verifiable contact details. He has already paid $2,500 to him, whose name is Richard Dennis from Canada, for this document. Now the fake consultant is demanding another US $1,280 for visa purposes. Now my follower says that he is a very poor man, he is disappointed and requested for help to get the visa or refund from that person. So friends, be aware of such scams and fraud. You can easily identify fake immigrant consultant if you find any one or some of the following observations which I am going to share. How to choose an immigration consultant. Basically, having a consultant or lawyer is not a requirement. All relevant information is available on Canadian immigration website, which includes guides, checklists, forms and application forms, and related notifications. However, if you decide to hire a consultant or a lawyer, then you should talk to several representatives before making your decision. You should find out if they are licensed, how long they have been in the business, and what are their education. You should also ask for references from your potential consultant or a lawyer, and also speak to past or current clients. You should get a quote in writing and discuss services they will provide you as well as the cost. You should make sure that you understand exactly what services they will provide and the associated charges. The lawyer should be member in a good standing of the Canadian Law Society, either provincial or the Federal Law Society. The consultant should be authorized and registered with the Immigration Consultants of Canada Regulatory Council. And you should also ask your friend, family, if they know people who have used the services of an immigration consultant. So ask for their recommendations. It is not that difficult if you are able to figure out following in your potential consultant or representative. If they claim special connection with immigration authorities, promise or guarantee approval of visa, offer you fast processing of your visa case, ask for making lies in presentation or documentation, or not registered or authorized under IRCC rules, regulations, do not sign representative form, which is IMM 5476, and claim that you are their relatives. Get a blank form or sign with false information. Do not give you copies of document that you signed. Do not share your online profile ID or password, and they are travel agent, education agent, or recruiters and not authorized consultant. They do not ask to sign a retainer agreement. Sign retainer agreement as an agent and not by the authorized practitioners. Demand money for any job offer. Insist on cash payment instead of checks, and do not give payment receipts. With little care and investigation, you may protect yourself and your hard-earned money from these fake practitioners by ensuring that you should get retainer agreement signed with authorized practitioner, get your online profile password and ID from your representative. Be careful of anything that sounds too good to be true, like fast processing or granted visa approval. Be aware of representative who encourages you to give false information in your application or statements. Do not leave original documents or photos with your representative. Not sign blank application forms. Not sign forms or documents unless you can read them or ask someone to read and translate for you. Make sure you get copies of any document your representative makes for you. Ensure that anytime you pay your representative, get a signed receipt. Make sure that your representative updates you on your application regularly. Never make payment to travel agent, recruiter, and education consultant unless they are authorized practitioners. Make payment as per retainer agreement and obtain receipt. Never deposit money in a personal bank account, and never pay for the job offer because job creation fee is paid by the employer. So friends, I hope you would have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe for my weekly uploads. Thanks for having me. Take care of yourself. See you next video. Till then, bye-bye.